Hey guys, so today I'm going to be organizing the rest of my fidgets. So this is part 2 and the second part of what I do to organize them. So this time we're going to be actually putting them in boxes. So we're going to do them from loudest, or best for school, loudest, and quietest. So best for school, quietest and loudest. And just extra stuff might go in here. So this is not good for school, but it's quiet, so I'll put that in the quiet bin. It can just go for quiet. It'll just be as quiet and loud. It'll be as quiet, which will go right here. That's pretty quiet. These aren't really that quiet. This one is really quiet. These little textured, spiky, tiny tumblers are. Put those in the corner. These kind of are quiet. Yeah, I would say these little bean bags are pretty quiet. Which are really, really nice. I love them. Let's just do this. Then we'll just go and fun. Marble and meshes are very, very quiet. I love marble and meshes for my life. I might even trade one to my friend when my friend comes over this weekend. This is nice and quiet. This bin is getting a little too small. This is quiet. Actually, these aren't really that quiet. We'll do these monkey noodles are really, really quiet and fun. Same with sticky hands. They're very quiet, just a little bit distracting. Same with bike chains. They're nice and quiet, and they don't make too much noise. Mochis, definitely. Little just things are pretty loud for mine. That is extremely loud, so that is definitely not going in the quiet bin. Yes. No, that is too quiet or too loud. There are all my loud ones. I mean the quiet ones. Same with this textured thing. There. Now we do the loud ones. So this is definitely a loud fidget. This is just going to go on the side when I put them away. Louder, but still kind of quiet, but it's still pretty loud and distracting. Tiny tumbler. Look for my strawberries just full. That's okay. I'll look for it later. I have one more. This is pretty loud. I mean, not loud, but loud enough to be in there. But we have to put in the poppet. I have to move a few things just up on top of the poppet. Loud. Everything is kind of hard to put in here. Some things are bigger than the others, and I don't know how much bigger, so it kind of makes it difficult. But everything's fitting. These are not loud, but they're still pretty loud. So in here we can put in our snake. No, we'll just leave it like this. That. Just like that. And then this is kind of loud, just the one that I have. These are not loud. I don't know why they still are out here. They're quiet. These are just extras that can go on the side. So now with this big bin, I'm going to put these, so they're in a safe spot and they're secure. Put them in just one by one. I could probably just put them on top of each other. It's okay. So like that. And then I'm going to put more fidgets that are too big or just don't have a place to go in. This really spiky one. This, so it's a lever. You can pull it down. It's kind of hard to sometimes. You can push that up. You can pull this down and push this up. It's a fun all-in-one fidget. And you can also pull it down. Press that button and you get this little Star Wars effect. Here, I'll try and show you guys. to tell, but yeah. This is kind of like a fun, not fidget, it's more of a toy, but I'm still going to put it in there just because. And this isn't really a fidget, this is like a scammer fidget. So, just some putty. This is like more flarbby putty. And that's what I'm just going to put on the side. And same with these. And just to make it a little bit more decorative, I'm just going to add like a cute little top. I don't really have any, but to be honest, this would look pretty cute on it, so just like to add it. So all you need to do is you can just like, this isn't like my mom considered this a fidget. It's a sequin. It's just like a flippy sequin, and I love that so much. So yeah, those are all of my fidget toys and organizing them. So now I'm going to find a place for them. So I'm going to look around my room real quick and find out where I really want them to be. I wanted them to be under here, but then I remembered I'm going to put these here. Oh, there's my little beach ball. Just put it in there. So I'm going to, since my friend's coming over this weekend, I'm just going to leave them right here. They'll look nice still. And my friend will not really care. It's just going to be here. So yeah, I'm going to finish organizing my room. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.